In this video, I'm going to show you how to use pop-up element in GrooveFunnel. Now, what you first want to do is once you're on your GrooveFunnel page, you want to click over here to these elements button, okay? So you want to click it, and then over here, you want to go inside buttons. Then you simply want to select a button and drag it onto your site. Now for me, it's going to be this yellow button over here. I'm going to drag it over there, and there we go. It's over here. You can place it wherever you want to on the page, of course, but for me, it's going to just be over here for now. Now, what you then want to do is click on it, and then click on this settings icon above it. In here, as you can see, it'll give you an option to link to, and then you want to click this arrow, scroll down and choose pop-up, okay? And then under pop-up type, you can select if you want the quick pop or the regular pop-up. You can check what each of these does, just select it and you'll see. And then for me, I'm going to click regular right now. And then once you've done that, you want the pop-up to be, you have to select it, of course. So you have to have a pop-up set from the pop-up menu. You have to create one yourself. And then button main label, as you can see, it says solid button. You can leave this as it is, and then number of sub-labels can be whatever you want. Now you can also select if you want to use the left or the right icon. And then once you've done that, so for example, let's put this at 1, and then let's name this solid button 1, and then name this text, for example, button sub-label 1. Let's name it try, okay, or something like that, doesn't really matter. Then what you want to do is click update and close, but as you can see, I can't do it because I haven't selected a pop-up. And the way you can do this is actually as follows. You want to click on pages up here, and then go down here to the penultimate one, which says pop-ups. Want to click this plus icon, and then over here, as you can see, it will give you a bunch of templates. Now these are all premium templates. However, you can also create one is a blank template, okay? Simply click on blank template and you'll be able to generate a pop-up. Now, as you can see over here, I now have a pop-up which is called pop-up 1. And if I now go back to my home page, okay, over here, let me just get over there. There we go. I have to save this. There we go. If I now go back to this solid button over here, and if I go to settings yet again, I'll be able to get the pop-up I just created, which is basically a blank pop-up. It does nothing, but it's here, as you can see over here, and now it gives me the option to update and close. And that will now be the pop-up I'm gonna get when I click on this button. If you want to customize it, of course, as I said, you want to simply click on it, click edit, and these three dots, and then it will take you to this page where you can create and kind of edit your pop-up as much as you like. Now that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.